Hey everyone, it's Travis down at the Steel Magnolia on beautiful Dog River, Lower Alabama. I have started my black soldier fly bin again, and it's been 8 years, I believe, since I've fooled with this, 7 or 8. And so we found some black soldier flies in the yard, in the compost pile, and sort of doing a little transfer and see if we can get things started. Let me let you take a look. Pay no attention to my helpers. Hey girls. Hey my pretty chickens. That's my pretty girls. I used a large plastic drum, and this one was actually tapered on each end. It's one I had, so it's what I used. Let me just kind of start with the basics here. I built a cradle to hold it, just very simple. It's sitting on top of milk crates. The lid is made from a piece of corrugated fiberglass, and that's just holding it up for now. It is hinged along here, so when this closes, this bungee will hold it down, but I end up with a 12-inch space on both sides that's approximately 1.75 inches tall, so everybody's got good egress there, coming and going. On the low end, I've got a drain built internal that's got filter cloth over it. I haven't really completed that part yet. Up on the front end, and I'm going to take this out. This is just more rotten goodies to attract flies and keep the lid on it so the house flies stay out of it. If you look up here, this is going uphill, and you can see the opening there that I have made. This is looking down. So as the black soldier flies leave, when they reach the pupae stage, they're going to go up. They will drop out of the barrel into here. They'll continue walking. Now they may go back and forth a little bit, but eventually they'll drop into this bucket. This bucket has holes around the perimeter, 1/2-inch holes, and I set this up yesterday evening, and already I have black soldier fly pupae that have arrived, so it's working. You just got to take a little time to make things happen. I'm trying to establish a place for laying eggs. So in the past, I've never had success with cardboard, so now I'm trying the wood, little slats of wood put together. And what I have in here is a combination of chicken manure and rabbit food and chicken feed. I'm keeping it moistened so it can go ahead and sour and create lots of obnoxious smells. I am getting a lot of black fly activity as they are flying in, buzzing around, and I have had some eggs laid. And if you can see those white pieces there on the left, let's see if I can put a finger on it, right there, that is that's eggs. And there's several little piles of those, but I sure would like to get them to where they're laying on those boards. But in any case, that's what I'm working with. This stays in partial shade almost all day, so works out well. And the girls are always busy out here. This is part of their corner of the world, so they're involved in everything. Anyway, just stuff. Long video, simple information, but anyway, I'm having a good time. Hey, this is Travis down at the Steel Magnolia, and I hope you're having an amazing day. Be blessed. Hey, pretty girls. Look at my chicken. Come on. Oh, that's my girls right there. Everybody's good.